Okay, it's time for my grocery haul. I got some corn on the cob because we're going to have that for dinner tonight. Some blackberries, raspberries, tomatoes, grapefruit, bananas, eggs, all 0 points. Oven roasted turkey breast, 1 point for 2 ounces. I have an acorn squash, an avocado, 1 point for my mozzarella cheese sticks, 1 point for each pretzel rod. Oh, I forgot to put this on here, but I know it's 4 points for an ounce of provolone. 0 for the black beans, the fat-free refried beans, and 0 for the pickles. 1 point for an 8-ounce serving of the Simply Light lemonade. 0 points for the tea. 1 point for the Extreme Wellness wrap. This is for Jim's lunches. I think it's 6 points, but I don't usually eat them, so that's fine. 3 points for an Ole soft taco wrap. 2 points for 1 slice of hillbilly bread. 3 points for 2 slices of hillbilly bread. 1 point for 4 slices of Canadian bacon. And 1 point for 2 slices, 2 points for 3 slices, and 3 points for 5 slices of center cut Kroger Private Selection bacon. 2 points for each slice of American cheese. 4 points for the English muffins. I had a coupon to buy one, get one free of the Miracle Whip. It's 1 point for a tablespoon. I'm going to make Jim some macaroni salad for his lunch. I'm not a big fan of macaroni salad, so I didn't even figure it into my points. This week is a birthday, 2 birthdays, Sebastian and Shannon, so I had to get ice cream. It's 6 points for the Oreo for a half a cup, and 6 points for the Reese's Pieces for a half a cup, and 7 points for my favorite, Rocky Road, a half a cup. I got some chicken breasts that I'm going to freeze, and then Jim and I are going to have burgers for dinner tonight. So there's my haul, and I spent a little bit more in the refrigerator outside. I have a gallon of milk and 3 cartons of Diet Pepsi for Jim. And from Kroger's, I spent $128.15. But $26 of that was I bought some cold medication for my sister-in-law, and I dropped it off at her house. So really my total came to $102. So I don't think that's too bad for my haul. I didn't expect to spend even this much, but it's all stuff I needed. So I hope you liked the video. Let me know if any of these things are your favorites too.